What's up, everybody? Orion here again. I wanted to do an updated video for lockpicking. I did one video a few years ago from when you're a 95. You want to go to GM, you have to do it in a dungeon. The first video I did several spots, but since I last did that video, I found new places that have level 4 chests for GMing lockpicking. So we're going to go off and hit the first one right now and show you how it's. Doesn't look like there's a chest here. So we'll jump out of there. Go over here to the ice fire mages. And it doesn't. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got two chests. Here we're going to pick. Looks like there's a level 4 and a level 3. As you can see, I'm attempting to pick this lock. Finally got it there, but the other one was quite easy. Set the traps off on both of them. I forgot to set my hot bag. So I'm going to drop all this in here. Pick up these magic items. I need to evidently add some things to my hot bag. In the previous video I had a few things listed that will automatically be picked out of the chest that you pick. We'll pick up this gear here. Unidentified one. This bracelet. Alright, while we're down here, we're going to add a few things to your pickup agent. Oh yeah, I don't have very much. Let's see if I have. That's for. Alright, looks like I need to set a few things here. So we'll add arrows. Pick up 10 of them. We'll add this spider silk. What else we got in here? This garlic. And we'll set a few more things when we get back. That chest is empty. We'll see what this one will pull out. Just a few things. Let's do, let's set the hot bag. A hot bag has been set. We'll add a few more things to our list. I have to wait. The world is saving. Let's see. We'll add these bolts. We'll get 10 of them. We'll get this black pearl. else we got in here? Blank scrolls. As long as you stay hidden, you shouldn't have to worry about these mages here, these evil mages. What else we got in here? We'll pull these greater heal potions. Of course, you should already have these things set before you go lockpicking, but we'll do it real quick. And there's probably more to pick up. We'll grab these shields. Grab those helms. Now these armors I usually don't put in the list, but you can. Let's add a diamonds. We'll do 10 of those as well. Not going to need that bracelet. Let's see what that wand is. We'll identify it later. Alright. Let's finish our stuff. Picking our stuff out. Didn't get this black pearl for some reason. We'll try again. Must not have added it. Alright, we'll get 10 of those. Try it again. And still nothing. So we'll just go ahead and grab it. Yeah, Black Pearl 10. Should have picked it out. I'll go ahead and remove that one since we got it already. Alright. Now we're out of here. We'll have a gate back out. Evil fire mages. Alright, off to the next. What do we got here? Ice fiends. Chest should be right here. May have to walk up to it. Usually the chest is right by the gate. Sometimes you have to walk to it. Blow up the trap. We'll start pulling some items. Looks like we need to add some stuff again to our hot bag. We're going to get these potions. Greater cure. Pretty sure I had sapphires and already on the list, as well as diamonds. Grab these. We'll grab this mandrake root. It should be picking them up. They're not more than 10. I will go ahead and grab this greater agility too. Alright, what else we got here? We'll grab this war fork. I could have swore I put bolts on the list. Arrows, crossbolts, 10. Oh, that's probably why. Let's see, how do I add set amount? 10. Set amount 10. Doubt there'll be more than one map, but we'll try it. Alright, blue sapphire, star sapphire, remove, remove, diamonds, rubies, emeralds, yellow potion, rubies, crossbows, blank scrolls, star sapphires. So we got all those. Oh, no more star sapphires. Those. Alright, we'll get 10 of those. Let's see if it'll pick them out. Didn't get the crossbolts. Crossbolts. 10. How many is here? Oh, okay. So we're going to up the ante here on these. Maybe that's why I didn't pick them. Grab these gloves. Alright, didn't get the mandrake root either. Set that at 100. See if it works now. Alright, pulled it that time. I guess you have to have your amounts up pretty high. Hat, pair, tourmaline. Alright, let's get out of here. Alright. Only rolling on 1,000 gold, so we'll keep pushing forward and go to Covetous 4. And it doesn't look like the chest is here. Crate of bones. Oh, it's over here in the corner. Yeah, sometimes they try to hide. Quickly busts the lock. Take one step off. As you can see, everything you've listed on your hot bag, your restock will pull everything out. It's on the list. We'll grab this spear, this war, or what's wild, mace, we'll add the mandrake root, or the blood moss. Leave these scrolls here. Just checking underneath, making sure there isn't anything else underneath. Alright, now we're out of here. You always got to remember where you went to, so you can bring your lockpicker back. Alright, now we're off to shame level 4. Sitting on 1,000 gold, so dump that. Looks like someone is here. I Don't see another chest. So we'll get out of here and keep hunting. So as you can see, that guy followed me through the gate. Alright, so we'll go back to the same spot. Shame level 4. Let's see what this guy's gonna do. He's just walking away. Yeah, he's out of here. So as you'll see in the first video, several people jump my gate. And there's the chest we're looking for. I've lost night sight, but that's okay. We'll get it when we get back. Grab these weapons real quick. Black pearl didn't get picked up, so have to change the black pearl to a larger amount. And evidently there it is. We're going to change the amount to 100. There was 23 blood moss. Should have picked 100 of them though. Alright, let's move on. We'll get this sulfuric ash as well. Let's see what else we got. Looks like all of it. Yeah, I like magic reflect scrolls, so we'll add those. Looks like these elder gazers are down here having a little fun. The tamer was killing elder gazers. So we'll go back to shame level 4. You gotta be pretty brave to go walk through someone's gate. Alright, we'll night sight up here real quick. Where are we going next? Discard Shadow Wrens. We'll let the time pass for hiding so that we can go into stealth mode. And we're right here by the chest. Shadow wrens are very nasty. Monsters to kill. And you'll be able to tell that it's a level 4 chest because you won't pop it the first time. So that'll be a good clue for you. Let our list run. It'll pull all the things out of the chest we're looking for. We'll grab these weapons. You can list the weapons if you want. I just don't because there's just a few of them usually. I will take this night sight scroll. Again, it didn't pick up the arrows for some reason. That's okay though. We'll just do it manually. Alright, looks like we got everything. Let's get the lockpicker back. Alright, we're sitting on 1,800 gold, so I'm going to go ahead and drop that in our safe, secure container. If you lose your stuff, it's not extremely, granted you lost it, but alright, I guess that was it. So those are the additional spots for lockpicking you can visit to pick the chests. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a message. Alright, that concludes today's video. Good luck out there. We'll talk to you soon.